In primetime news this evening, legal fraternity in mourning following passing of Trelawney Parish Court Judge.
Constituted Authority rules against PNP candidate for St. Andrew West Central.
And later, government on the defensive as it explains position on refusal to walk out at the UN General Assembly. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Now with a preview of what's to come in the business news, here's Sandy Williams.
Thanks, Andrea. Gas prices are going up tomorrow, and Sagicor Life Jamaica expands coverage to early stage breast cancer and prostate cancer. We'll have those and more later in the business day.
Thank you so much, Sandy. And Andrea, guess what? It's Wednesday, so Jermaine Brown is here to give us a preview of what's to come in the big show. Jermaine.
All right, thank you so very much. All right, so the World Championships might be finished, but we have some behind-the-scenes story as to what led to Oblique Civil's gold medal in Tokyo. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
I love it. Thank you, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. We are expecting shower and thunderstorm activity to continue for the rest of this week. And we're still holding that easterly wave is expected to impact the island early on Friday. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
You like that or no? You do. And there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, with U.S. visa fees now at $435, would this change affect your decision to apply? Why or why not?
Looking forward to those responses. You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.